Welcome back. Second video for the day, December the 20th, a Saturday. And in today's video, we want to talk about what has happened and what can we learn from this going forwards. History does tend to repeat itself, and when there's markets and months of really strong growth and unsustainable percentage growth, we know that people will tend to buy in out of FOMO or fear of missing out. And so when price correction comes, they can lose out or they will jump out of the hobby as a result because what they are forecasting is not sustainable. And so today I want to talk about being fearful when people are greedy, and really be kind of greedy when people are fearful, as the great Warren Buffett. Oh my God, I can't even remember. So as Warren Buffett said, be fearful when people are greedy, and be greedy when people are fearful. So here are some things that I want to share and talk about. So that's number one, avoiding chase hypes and overvalue products. So Mega Evolution, for example, just came out, and we're seeing a lot of hype on that, particularly around Phantasmal Flames and Ascended Heroes. But as I always say, if it's overhyped or you can't reach it initially on the LGS stores, be patient with that, because there will be another print run and it will re-release it. Try not to go on secondary markets and overpay for that, because you will have another opportunity to buy in. Just be patient with that. Number two is focus on long-term values and scarcity, not really short-term flipping. So long-term values are exclusive products, or Pokemon products that have been continuously reprinted because of the popularity. So you might think because it's been reprinted so many times that it won't hold its value, but it's not true. You look at other sets like Shroud of Fable and initially Obsidian Flames, they were really quiet and they weren't really getting much reprints. You can think of Stellar Crown and other Pokemon sets that didn't get much of a reprint as well, Temporal Forces, because it wasn't very strong. One underrated one was Black Bolt and White Flare, and they didn't have much of a reprint as well, but that's because it was really rushed out. There was so many sets, and Black Bolt and White Flare was wedged in between, to the point where I think it only had like a less than a month until another set came out. So it really didn't have much time to organically grow. And so that's why people still talk about Black Bolt and White Flare being an undervalued set. And so we'll wait and see how that all turns out. But long term, people are still buying into Prismatic. People are still into 151. People are into Destined Rivals. So what I'm saying now is no Nostradamus. I'm just saying this because right now in 2025, it is popular and people want it. And I'm a firm believer that in 5 years' time, looking back into this video, people will still want this. So focus on long-term value sets, not short-term flips. Things that are scarce, things that are popular as well, will be a bonus as well. Number three, prepare a watch list and prepare for any dips that come. So the dips are already here. We can all acknowledge that coming into the end of 2025, we've seen some changes in the market prices of specific sealed products and singles as well. So start to build a watch list, create a spreadsheet, or, document some notes on a piece of paper, what you actually are looking forward to in 2026, and be ready for it. Your LGS stores, like, your Targets and PWs will have a reprint or restock coming soon after. So be ready for that. And if you can't find them, you're looking for exclusive sets that are a little bit more rare that you can't find, look onto eBay and be patient. Look into auctions or send best offers. Don't be so inclined to put in a buy it now. Be patient on that and just continue watching it, okay? Diversify investments as opposed to just sealed boxes. Sealed boxes do tend to do mostly well, but there are exclusive singles, that have a high population and high gem mint. You want to be looking for PSA 10s. Right now, PSA 10 holds the most value. So looking into PSA will definitely keep single cards, especially exclusive ones, very, very very good hold going forwards. And so you might want to diversify your investment strategy to just go outside boxes and have a little bit stashed as singles. Okay, I'm going to leave it there, wrapping up at about 5 minutes now. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.